Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply change currency in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix editor, and when you're going to be here, you want to go on settings. Yes, leave the page, and then you're going to be in overview, and then just go to general information, and you want to scroll down below, and you're going to see currency here, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. You have currency here and you just change it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and stuff like that. And have a great day and goodbye.